lesson is number 17, and our topic is installation works of precast reinforced concrete beams. Tushunmaydi? Oldindan zo'r tushunmaydi. Teoriyadan balkalarda nima qilish, montaj qilish ishlari bo'yicha gaplashamiz. Here you can see the types of cranes which is used in bridge construction. Okay, the first one is mobile cranes, telescopic boom cranes, gantry cranes, crawler cranes, and portal tube cranes, as you can see here in the picture. The schemes for using various types of cranes for the installation of precast reinforced concrete bridge structures are determined by many factors, namely the weight of the block, local site conditions, longitudinal profile, properties of soils in river floodplains, river regime, climate, and etc. And the capabilities of the construction organization. Bularda biz joyni holatiga qarab turib, qurish maydonchasi holatiga ko'taradigan o'sha oraliq qurilmamiz uzunligi va og'irligiga qarab turib biz kranni turlarini tanlab olar ekanmiz. Ularni direkt osmosida montaj qilish ishlarini. What is their lifting capacity? Ya'ni ularda yuk ko'tarish qobiliyati qanaqa? Portal tube cranes are special lifting mechanisms designed for the erection of bridge girders with lengths of 21, 24, 33, and 42 meters, intended for installing girders weighing from 35 to 100 tons. Yani, böyle ko'rayotganimiz shu turdagi kranlarimiz yuk ko'tarish qobiliyati 35 tondan 100 tongacha bo'lgan yuklarni ko'tarishi mumkin va odatda bizda O'zbekiston sharoitida 20, 23 va 40 metrlik balkalarni joylashtirishda asosan ishlatilish kerak va ishlatiladi. They can be classified into disassembly cranes, which are transported to the construction site in the dismantled sections. Yani bular demek yig'ma kranlar hisoblanadi. Yani siz uni qurish maydonchasiga borish paytida ularni demontaj qilib va qurish maydonchasida yig'ib foydalansangiz bo'ladi. Yani ular birgalikdagi vazni juda ham katta va uni tashib yurish, tashib ketirish juda ham katta mehnat talab qiladi. Mobile cranes are transported along highways in assembled condition and are used for erection of girders weighing 35 to 63 tons with total lengths of 21, 24, and 33 meters. Yani mobil kranlar vardı. Biz oldingi rasmda ko'rganimizdek. Bular demek odatda katta yo'llarni tashish mumkin va harakatlanadi ular. Va ular 35 tonnadan 63 tonnagacha bo'lgan balkalarni, oraliq qurilmalarni ko'tarish, montaj qilishda ishlatiladi. Ularni uzunliklari 21, 33 metrlik uzunlikdagi balkalarni ko'tarishda qo'llanadi. For the erection of girders with a total length of 42 meters and weight of 90 tons, the MKSH 100 portal crane with a lifting capacity of 100 tons is used. Yani markasi MKSH 100 bo'lgan portal kranlari yoki bu turdagi kranlar this one. Demek şu turdagilarni 100 tongacha yuk ko'tarish qobiliyatiga ega. 100 tongacha. Okay. And here you can see all the stages of portal tube cranes that is used for bridge construction. Ko'prik qurishda ishlatiladigan shu turdagi kranlarimizda ishlash bosqichlari keltirilgan. So, the installation of span girders using the GP230 crane is carried out in several stages. Yani GP230 degan kranlarimiz, shundagi markadagi kranlarimiz, demak 4 xil bosqichdagi ketma-ketlikda amalga oshiriladi. Bular demak ko'rishingiz mumkin 1960 yillardan beri bu turdagi kranlar surib